Okay, in today's video, I will be showing you how to create your own collectible trading card game. The site that we will be using for this tutorial is thegamecrafter.com. They are awesome and they do a very professional job, but a lot of it is also on you. You have to give them the tools to work with, and by that I mean your artwork and following instructions. You're going to want to click on over here to create an account. So once you're on this page, you're gonna create a username, put your real name, the email address you want to use, a password for obvious reasons. This part is just to make sure you're not like a robot. Yeah. Once you have your account created, we'll move on to the next step. My company already has an account with the Game Crafter, yeah, the official Fight Club Esports League. I will use our trading card game Toons and Towers as a reference for this tutorial. Toons and Towers is a comedy trading card game. You can collect as many cards as you want from the series, and you can also play with your friends and battle it out. So what you're going to want to do to create your own card game, you're going to want to go over to Make right here. You're going to click that, then you're going to scroll down to where it says My Creations, and you're going to click Games. Once you're in Games, you're going to want to go to the bottom where it says Name and Create Game. You're going to put in the name of the game that you're trying to make, and then you're going to click Create Game. Once you do that, you're going to have a section that says Components. Okay, once you're in the Components section, you're going to want to use Add Custom Component. And if you're going to add a PDF file with the game's rules, you're going to want to use the Add Downloadable file. You're going to want to create the PDF file first before you add it, before you upload it to the Game Crafter. Now over here with the Add Custom Component, in this part, you're going to click right here, and then you're going to find the pieces that you want. So since it's a card game, you're going to click over here with cards, and then you're going to find the size of the card that you want and style. Now for the reference, we're using Toons and Towers. So we chose the poker deck. We chose the poker deck. So once you do that, you click Add to Game. Okay, so right here it's showing you the size. So this image that you upload is going to be for the back of the card, and it's 825 pixels by 1125 pixels. So keep that in mind. Now to create the design that you want for the back of the card, you can use Photoshop, or you can use GIMP, or you can even use other software that's also for creating images, JPEG and PNG. Now for the front of the cards, you're going to upload them over here, and it's also the same size. So once you have a design in mind, use your software, whichever software you choose, to create the design. Once you have them ready and the correct size, you're going to upload them here, piece by piece. For example, whenever you upload a card, you're going to want to put the name right here. And this is already the default. So whatever you put for the back of the design, it's good. It's going to be right here. So leave that alone. Okay, so over here, you're going to click this. It says needs to be proofed. You're going to click this, and then you're going to see the measurements to see if it's within the frame. And if you like what you see, you're going to click approve. You're going to be like, okay, everything is inside of the desired frame. So you're going to say approved. So once you approve it, then it's ready. You don't have any tension. Now, that was just an example. And you're going to upload however many cards for your set. Now, the website offers you templates. Whenever you choose your card sizing, the website offers you templates that you can use in your editing software to make sure that the images that you use for your cards are within the printing section. Please be sure to read everything on the website as you're building this, because it can help you avoid making terrible mistakes. If you were trying to sell a booster pack using this website, you would use this section right here where it says deck includes. You would click on this and you would choose random cards. Now, if you also wanted to not have any duplicates, there's an option for that right here. Random cards, no duplicates. You're also going to want to keep in mind packaging. So You're going to click over here in packaging. Once you're in the packaging section, you can look through all of this information and you can see which packaging fits the best description for your specific cards and how you would like to package them and offer it to customers. Okay? They even have booster packs, which I also use. Whenever you're creating a design, you cannot publish your cards until everything is ready. You see these warning labels over here? It's letting you know you need to fill out this important information. There's a pricing section. There's action shots. Once you have a sample of your cards, you can take pictures and upload them right here. In this section, you can use it to edit your shop page. As you go through the site, it should be very easy to pick up on what to do and what not to do. Many sections on this site will have text that helps you get through the process, explaining what each section is actually for. Right here in the vitals, you can put how many players are in your game, if this is the first or second edition of your game, the estimated time it takes to play your game, and even the age requirement. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it was very helpful. You guys have an awesome day.